Modifying the general ledger. To access the general ledger, navigate to the Workspace menu, select Accounting, and then choose General Ledger. To modify an account category, right-click on any category and choose Modify Category from the menu. The Modify Category view will open, allowing you to make changes to the category name and/or account type. Please note, changing the account type for a category won't affect the underlying account types. Once you've made your changes, click the OK button to confirm and apply your changes. To modify an account, expand the accounts by clicking on the triangle icon next to a category. Right-click on a specific account to reveal the menu options. Choose the Modify Account option from the menu. The Modify Account view will open, allowing you to edit the account name, account number, and/or the account type. Ensure the account number is unique. Click OK to confirm and accept your changes. After making all modifications, click the Save button to save your changes.